Hi, this is Emily of Emilee's Paper Caper, and this is the third video in a three-part series on making a junk journal without spending money. This is my completed journal. I ended up with 7 signatures. I sewed in some beads from Dollar Tree, and I used a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. If you don't know how to do this, it's super easy. I have a video showing how I do this with another journal from start to finish, and I'll link to that up in the card. So check that out if you'd like to learn how to do the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. So there are 7 signatures in here. I went ahead and I'm using an elastic that came on a box of chocolate for Mother's Day just to hold it closed for now. Let's take a look at what it looks like inside. I haven't embellished it yet. I will probably add pockets and fold outs and things like that. But each of the 7 signatures has 2 coloring pages and an oversized postcard. It's just junk mail. So there's the center of the first signature. And then it goes right into the second signature. And these coloring pages are pretty bright, but I can paint on top of them or add tissue paper. I can calm them down a little bit. They'll be fun to create on top of. When I assembled this, I taped the postcards in because I didn't want them to slip. So I might have some tape to remove as we go through here. Painter's tape or masking tape is a great way to hold things in place temporarily.